Schwerer Gustav. Schwerer Gustav was a German 80 cm railway gun. It was developed in the late 1930s by Krupp as siege artillery for the explicit purpose of destroying the main force of the French Maginot Line, the strongest fortifications in existence at the time. The fully assembled guns weighed nearly 1,350 tons and could fire shells weighing 7 tons to a range of 47 kilometers. The gun was designed in preparation for the Battle of France, but was not ready for action when that battle began, and in any case, the Wehrmacht's Blitzkrieg offensives through Belgium outflanked and isolated the Maginot Line static defenses, which were then besieged with more conventional heavy guns until French capitulation. Gustav was later deployed in the Soviet Union during the Battle of Sevastopol, part of Operation Barbarossa, where, among other things, it destroyed a munitions depot located 30 meters below ground level. The gun was moved to Leningrad and may have been intended to be used in the Warsaw Uprising, but the uprising was crushed before it could be prepared to fire. Gustav was destroyed by the Germans near the end of the war in 1945 to avoid capture by the Soviet Red Army. Schwerer Gustav was the largest caliber rifle weapon ever used in combat, and in terms of overall weight, the heaviest mobile artillery piece ever built. It fires the heaviest shells of any artillery piece. In 1934, the German Army High Command commissioned Krupp to design a gun to destroy the force of the French Maginot Line. The gun's shells had to punch through 7 meters of reinforced concrete from beyond the range of French artillery. Krupp engineer Erich Müller calculated that the task would require a weapon with a caliber of around 80 centimeters, firing a projectile weighing 7 tons from a barrel 30 meters long. The weapon would have a weight of over 1,000 tons. It would need to be supported on twin sets of railway tracks. The railway tracks were engineered to accommodate the immense weight and size of Schwerer Gustav, constructed with reinforced steel. These tracks provided a stable foundation for the weapon's movement. Specialized locomotives and cranes were employed to transport and position the gun with precision. Krupp built a test model in late 1939 and sent it to the Hellersleben Proving Ground for testing. Penetration was tested on this occasion, firing at high elevation. The 7,000 kilogram shell was able to penetrate the 7 meters of concrete and the 1 meter armor plate. The siege of Sevastopol was the gun's first combat test. 4,000 men and 5 weeks were needed to get the gun into firing position. 500 men were needed to fire it. The following targets were engaged: coastal guns at a range of 25,000 meters, Fort Stalin, Fort Molotov, Fort Siberia, Maxim Gorky fortresses. By the end of the siege, the city of Sevastopol lay in ruins. Dora was the second gun produced. It was deployed against Stalingrad, where the gun arrived 15 kilometers to the west of the city, sometime in the mid-August 1942. It was withdrawn when Soviet forces surrendered to encircle the German forces. When the Germans began their long retreat, they took Dora with them. The Langer Gustav was a long cannon with 52 cm caliber and a 43 meter barrel. It was intended to fire super long-range rocket projectiles weighing 680 kilometers to a range of 190 kilometers. This gave it the range to hit London from France. It was never completed after being damaged during construction by one of the many Royal Air Force bombing raids on Essen. Many thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share this video.